The MuaRot dust mite vacuum robot is definitely generating some buzz with its promises of a cleaner, dust mite-free living space. Let's delve deeper into its key features and see if it might be the answer to your dust mite woes. Dust mite demolition crew. UV sterilization. This robot goes beyond simple vacuuming. Its built-in UV lamp blasts dust mites with concentrated ultraviolet light, eliminating up to 99.9% of these pesky critters and their allergens. Multi-layer precision filtration. HEPA filters capture even the finest dust particles and allergens, leaving your floors and surfaces sparkling clean and allergen-free. Binocular laser ranging. Navigate furniture and obstacles with precision, ensuring thorough cleaning even in tight spaces and under your bed, the prime real estate for dust mites. Smarter cleaning. Auto cleaning modes. Choose from manual, auto, and UV sterilization modes for convenient and adaptable cleaning routines. Smart path planning. The robot utilizes intelligent algorithms to plan efficient cleaning routes, maximizing coverage and minimizing missed spots. Binocular laser ranging. This technology not only avoids obstacles but also helps the robot adjust its cleaning intensity based on the level of dust detected. Here are some of the pros and cons of the MuaRot. Pros: quiet operation, long battery life, compact and lightweight. Cons: new technology, price, limited reviews, maintenance. Overall impression: the MuaRot dust mite vacuum robot offers a promising solution for allergy sufferers and anyone seeking a deeper clean beyond just surface dust. Its UV sterilization technology, multi-layer filtration, smart features, and convenient design make it a compelling option for dust mite eradication. However, the newness of the technology, potential price tag, limited reviews, and maintenance considerations are factors to weigh before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.